fresh grad ka pa lang at hindi ka umabot sa filing ng August 2026 PNLE and you're exploring the option of taking the NCLEX pathway instead, possible ba to? Let's talk about it. Hi, I am Kimi and welcome back to the Road to USRN, where I share tips and educational content to help Filipino nurses navigate their own USRN journey. So, just a quick disclaimer, everything that I'll be sharing here is based on my personal experience. I am sharing a general educational information. Eligibility requirements may still vary depending on the state you are applying to. So, make sure to always check the Board of Nursing for their latest guideline. So, pwede nga bang mag-NCLEX ang fresh graduate? Short answer, yes. In many cases, it's possible. Hindi lahat ng state pare-pareho ng requirements, kaya importante na piliin mo kung saang state ka mag-a-apply. Isa rin sa mga common misconceptions na kailangan daw may work experience ka bago ka makapag-NCLEX. Actually, having a work experience and getting the eligibility to take NCLEX are two different things. I suggest go to the official website of the Board of Nursing you are applying to for the official requirements. My personal advice as an ate na merong kapatid na kakagraduate lang ng nursing at hindi umabot sa pagpa-file ng local boards is take the USRN pathway para fresh pa ang nursing concepts at kakatapos lang nila ng mga reviews nila, no? So, I highly suggest na mag-take na lang muna ng NCLEX while waiting for the next filing for the local boards. In our next episode, I will be having a walkthrough for the DIY NCLEX process for the state of New York. So again, for New York only. So if you are interested, please make sure to follow along.